Okay, as you know, this is a Fat Boy production, and I'm just doing some testing on my software. So, just sitting in the garage, just getting ready to go for my ride. Gonna go up to Mornington. Elizabeth broke her phone again, so I'm taking it up to fix it. So off I go. I've got this new angle on the GoPro, so I'd like your feedback on that. So here it is. This is on the handlebars, shooting behind me. That's me just closing the garage. It's obvious, but thought I'd tell you anyway. Yeah, getting past the van, onto the road. Here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot to adjust the mirrors. I keep knocking them, putting all this crap on it now. So here we go. Finally out of the driveway. It's only been a minute. This is Cannonook Avenue. This is the street I live on. And just heading over to the P&I Highway. I think the angle looks good. Just I don't want to lose a bit of me though. I'm taking too much. Oh, there's me stretching. Gotta get my stretch in before I get on the road. My back's always sore now. That music in the background is Led Zeppelin. Hope you like it. Full in the rain. Oh, bus is on time. Might fade this bit out. This is, I'm not sure if you're hearing the motorcycle or not. I'll have to go into post and see what that sounds like. But your feedback keeps this company afloat. It is bankrupt, but never mind. Here we go. Jeez. 2 minutes into the ride, it feels like forever. Yeah, it's better on the bike. Got a bit of rain today, so I thought I'd do a bit of editing and post-production. So here we go, on the P&I Highway, off we go. It's funny when you look back on this, you see the people behind you. You don't see them when you're on the bike. I start using those mirrors more. That's the Ambassador Hotel in the corner. It's an eyesore. They've been trying to knock it down for years, and they haven't been able to. Not sure what they're ever going to do with it. All right. Now we're just coming into the heart of Frankston. It's a small town, not very big. It's probably a third the size of Pickering. Probably the same distance out from Melbourne as Pickering is from Toronto. So it's a seaside suburb, but you don't see much of the sea. It's right beside me. I just can't get it in the frame. So you got the trees, you got those buildings. Behind the buildings is the bay. Here we are up at the lights. Just doing a bit of lane filtering there. And off we go. There's our McDonald's in the background. So, what do you think, guys? Is this angle a good shot or not? Yeah, I think it looks great. Just gotta find maybe more interesting scenery. I'll go out tomorrow and do some shooting. The boys aren't going for a ride tomorrow. They said they got too much to do. am I here? I can't see. I can't put it in a big screen to look at it. It's just sitting in the corner. So off I go. Oh, that's Frankston Beach. So you might start seeing the beach coming around this corner here. Just as if I can get a wider shot. Oh, there's a Mustang. They're popular here now. Got plenty of them. So you just keep your eye in the top left corner. You'll start seeing the beach now. Maybe not yet. It's there. It's just a little bit behind us. I think you might have to wait till we get to Oliver's Hill. So off we go. Heading up the hill now. The camera doesn't show you when you're leaning because it keeps the horizon level. And when you're leaning, there's the beach now. So, yeah, there it is. You can see it. You can just see the lines, but you don't see me leaning because it's I suppose the camera's fixed to the bike, that's why you don't see it. But there it is. Anyway, there it is. That's beautiful. That is a spectacular view from there. When you're a nice sunny day, it's just actually today is a good day. But yeah. Now we're in the Mount Eliza. This is multi-million-dollar properties up here. It's on the top of the hill. But I think they're a bunch of flogs anyway. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think of the movie and what you think of the angle. You like it? You don't like it? But whatever you think, I'm gonna keep doing it. Anyway, enjoy.